Minador, svita.
Kids, today we are talking about farm animals. What animals can you find on a farm?
I know one. It's a lion.
You are joking. Right. Lion is a very dangerous wild animal. We are talking about domestic animals from the farm.
Teacher Slavica, I was at my grandparents' last weekend. They live on a farm. I saw only 2 cats and 1 old dog.
What? No cows, chickens, pigs. Anything?
My lion probably ate them all.
Milo, please, we need your help.
Ćao drugari, danas učimo životinje s farme. Farm animals. Dog. This is a dog. Cat. This is a cat. Pig. This is a pig. Goat. This is a goat. Duck. This is a duck. Chicken. This is a chicken. Cow. This is a cow. Horse. This is a horse. Sheep. This is a sheep. Bravo! Hajde još jednom da ponovimo. Let's repeat them. Dog. Cat. Pig. Goat. Duck. Chicken.